Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. Last week, we told you about 2 ODOT crews that were hit while on the job.
Well, we often remind you to move over and slow down for roadside workers. Crews in southeast Ohio installed additional move-over signs along I-77, State Route 7, and US 50. Now this comes after Ohio State Highway Patrol Sergeant Eric Knowlton's cruiser was hit by a semi-truck while he was conducting a traffic stop.
Please, when you see road crews, law enforcement, tow truck drivers, or anyone along the road, move over and slow down. We all want to get home safe at the end of the day.
Crews at our Sandusky garage hosted a day of learning new snow and ice control tactics for cities, townships, and counties. Attendees learned about using liquid de-icers and salt efficiency. Thanks to the American Public Works Association, Ohio Turnpike Commission, and Michigan Road Commission for joining us.
The holidays are just around the corner, and we're putting together our list of highway safety messages to run the week of Christmas and New Year's. We'd love some of your ideas too. You can submit them at zerodeaths.ohio.gov. Matt.
Sorry. You'll likely see a message about distracted driving. Our Who Knew Guru found while this is an issue year-round, it's an even bigger problem this time of year.
Now, we all know that distracted driving is on the rise, and of course it's very dangerous. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the number of phone-related crashes has increased by more than 50% since 2010. And in Ohio, nearly 80,000 distracted driving crashes occurred between 2013 and 2018. Clearly, it's an epidemic. And what's more alarming, drivers text and use their apps 30% more during the holidays. So remember, Santa is watching, so put your phone down. It's the law. And back in April, Governor DeWine announced the formation of a Distracted Driving Advisory Council tasked with developing a long-term plan to change the culture surrounding distracted driving. These safety experts are currently reviewing all options to reduce distracted driving and save lives. Now that's something to be thankful for this holiday season. Who knew?
Thanks a lot, Dave. We'll get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media. And we always love your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And keep sending great videos just like this one from the District 2 Potluck.
And now you're in the loop.